I was looking at my analytics on my YouTube, and I sorted it by the less viewed videos, and it was kind of strange. I made a video about 4 years ago about money in your savings account, and for some reason that video probably got like 40 or 50 views, and that's in 4 years. And I thought it was a pretty good video, but maybe this is stuff that YouTube don't want people to know about. Now, if I start talking good stuff and say vote for Biden, oh man, that thing may get thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of views if I say, hey, everybody vote for Biden. But anyway, I'm gonna repost this video. Check this out. It's about the savings account, and you tell me what you think. They may have this video deleted, or they may hide the analytics. People probably say shadow banding or whatever the new terms that they use. The biggest scam ever is a savings account. I called Bank of America a couple of days ago. I remember I had a savings account. I think it was about a year ago. I just put $100 in there. But I called them. I remember this account, and I called them and I gave them my information. And I said, I think I put $100 in there about a year ago. And so they checked the account. They said, yeah, you have like $39 in there. I said, what? They said, yeah, we charge $5 a month for maintenance fees, which was $60. Plus you drew a little interest. You made 0.01%. I said, what's 0.01% of 100? And the guy, he said, it's a penny. I said, wow. He said, well, it's better than nothing. I said, well, it's not nothing. And I hung up the phone. I closed the account. But just imagine if you put $20,000 in a savings account and you never touch it for a whole year, and then you check it, you would have made $2 off of $20,000. Just imagine if you had $300 and you go to the ATM and you withdraw $100, they're going to charge you $2 on top of that. So you'll have $198 left. So if you never touch that $198 for a whole year, and you come back and you get ready to withdraw your money, you will have about $138. So where did your $62 come from? So you let the bank borrow your money, and they charge you 20.66%. And then they take your money and loan it out to somebody else and charge them 20.66%. So they make 41, 42% off of your money. That's crazy. So the best thing to do, which I've learned, put it in the stock market or go to Lending Club and loan your money out through Lending Club or Rich Uncles. Even if you make 1%, that's still 100 times more than what the bank would pay you. I don't know if you've heard of the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is you take your money, say $100, and you take the interest rate 0.01%. So you take 72 divided by 0.01%. It would equal 7,200. So it would take 7,200 years before your $100 double. That's crazy. 7,200 years for your $100 to turn into $200. So if you can see my point, savings accounts is a scam. So the best thing to do, just take your money and put it in your safe or whatever, bury it. You know, it's probably easier that way. So I have other videos on Lending Club and Rich Uncles and other different things. I had to wait till I turned 40, 47, 48 to learn the different investments, leaving my money in the savings account and withdrawing my money. I'm paying the bank to hold my money. Crazy. But anyway, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And also look at my descriptions. I have some links to my Amazon affiliate account. Thank you.